Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube video channel again. I'm gonna go ahead and share this case presentation in the different format, allow you to visualize better how this case to begin with. So this is another on this case that the young lady came to the office at the age of perhaps 21 years old. The main concern is her teeth are worn out. So you can see as she bite her teeth together. Upper teeth seem to be intruded and slightly crowded. The bottom tip is more crowded and super erupted, creating a deep bite on her case. As you can see, almost like 100% deep bite on the anterior. So what can we do with this case? What can we do with this case? First of all, you can see there's a gummy smile issue. Her tooth is not completely erupted because of the pseudo pocket here. So the goal of this case is to level out the lower teeth, level out the upper teeth, because you can see the arrangement of the number 6 to 11 are not in the alignment. So bottom tooth, same thing. The anterior is kind of super erupted. That's the reason why deep bite occur. So what we can do for her is just want to show you more of the video. Okay, so here is how we started with the case. This is her smile. When she smiles, she doesn't have all her natural teeth coming out and kind of hidden everywhere. Very hard to see, right? So if you look closely, what we do is we straighten the tip out. That's the goal, is to straighten tip out first. And so during the process of treating orthodontist, you can see there's a lot of slowly movement, changing, improving. The tip looks straight, but as you can see, it's still not looking very funny looking. So when we took out the braces, bottom tip was aligned, top tip was aligned, but it doesn't seem to look right. How do we actually get to improve the patient case from this is how it looked to this beautiful smile? It takes a lot of strategy, but I'm gonna explain to you how we get there. So here is her. You go back. So here is her before, and this is after braces. But this is another after braces. This is, you can compare the improvement in terms of the deep bite was improved 40%. Deep bite improved, reduction. Her gum smile look much better. This is right after braces removed. This is right after laser for gum surgery, and this is 2 months later laser. Really nice, beautiful looking young lady now. This is right after braces removed. This is a combination of laser treatment and then gum healing in 2-3 months. So you can see the improvement. Yep. The diagnosis was pseudo pocket, deep bite, crowded teeth. You can get to this state here, and we can get to this state by assembly braces and laser treatment. I hope you enjoyed my quick presentation. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.